Import and view process. Hello and welcome to VeriPic training. This video will provide you with an overview of the import process. To import media into VeriPic, make sure that the media is accessible to VeriPic. For example, if you are importing photos, pull the memory card out of your camera and load it into your card reader, or hook your camera up to the computer by the USB port. If a Windows dialog box appears asking you what to do with the photos, just close that window. Keep in mind the import process varies and depends on your system settings. You may have one or multiple windows that are part of the import wizard. To import your media, click on the Import button in the main window. You will either have to navigate over to your media in the User Chooses window, or the thumbnail window with your media will automatically open. If the User Chooses window opens, navigate to your media, select it, and click Open. In this case, the thumbnail window launched with my media that is on my camera card. The blue outline around each thumbnail means the media is selected. If you notice that none of the thumbnails are outlined in blue, then you must select the media you want to import before you click Apply. Always import one case at a time. If there is more than one case in the thumbnail view, select only one case to import. To grab a selection of media, click on the first media you want to import. Hold down on the Shift key on your keyboard while you click on the last media you want to import. All the media in between will be selected. To select or deselect one thumbnail, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while you click on that thumbnail. There are also Select All and None buttons on the right side to quickly select or deselect all thumbnails. The small, medium, or large buttons located on the right side of the window will change the thumbnail size. Once the media you want to import is selected, click the Apply button. The Choose Case or File Number window will open. To create a new case for the imported media, type in a case number into the Enter New Case text field. If there is a specified format in this text box, the case number you enter must follow this format. In this example, the New Case Number text box is blank, so we can type in the case number without having to meet a specific format. Under the case number text field is a security level drop-down. You may need to set a security level for this case. If you are unsure what to select, check with your system administrator for the procedures. To select a security level, click on the drop-down list and select the appropriate option. If you are not adding a brand new case, but need to add media to an existing case, click on the case number and click Select Existing Case. Doing this will put the media into this case number. To search for a case that already exists, you can use wildcards. The asterisk wildcard replaces a string of characters. It is the default wildcard in the text field. Place your cursor in front of the asterisk and click. Then type in the first part of your case number. For example, if you want to view all the cases that start with the number 06, you would type in 06, then click Search for Cases. The database of case numbers will be reduced to only case numbers that start with 06. Another option is to create a case additional. A case additional is attached to a parent case number. To create a case additional, click that case number you want to create an additional for. This is the parent case number. It will be highlighted in blue. Then check Create Case Additional for existing case. A letter will be added to the end of the parent case number. You can edit the letter A by typing in the text box to customize the case additional. To add the additional, you would click Add Additional to import the media into this case additional. In this example, we will create a new case number. Therefore, we will uncheck Create Case Additional for existing case. Click Add New Case at the top right of the window. A dialog box may appear prompting you to retype the case number. If so, retype your case number in the text box and click OK. The rest of the video will cover all window options. You can jump to a specific window by clicking on the link or play the entire import process. Keep in mind, your import wizard may be different. The Basic Case Information window will open. Select from the drop-down list a case type, who the case is assigned to, and the case security level. You can type in a short description of the case in this text box. Click Next or Finish when you are done. The Advanced window will open. Enter case status. Select a crime code and type in the crime text field. Next, set the priority of the case, choosing a value between 1 and 5. To add location information, click on the View Location Info button. In this window, enter any pertinent information in the text fields. You can enter street name, city, state, and zip code. You can enter contact information and other information below. All text fields are optional. Click OK when you are done. Click Next or Finish when you are done. Next is the Custom Case Fields Information window. This window varies and was set up by your system administrator. The labels you see here will not be the same in your system. For each label, add the correct information. Go to the lower part of the window where value is displayed and assign the correct information. This label is a drop-down list. Select from the drop-down list and click Set. This label will show up in the field above. This is a text field. Type in the value and click Set. Complete the list until you have entered all information. Click Next or Finish when you are done. Next is the Enter Media Information window. In this window, you can enter the media information. Include a title for all media. Include notes for all media. The information entered will attach to each piece of media in this case and can be edited after import. Any text in the title and notes fields is keyword searchable. Click Next or Finish when you are done. The Enter Digital Signature Information window will open. The digital signature is used to identify the photographer. The default photographer will be set to the importer's name. If you are the photographer, simply type in your digital signature. If you are not the photographer, select the photographer from the drop-down list, then type in that person's digital signature. Once you have completed this, click Finish. VeriPic will import your media. The Database Media Search window will open. The media you just imported will be listed. To quickly view your media in the main window, click Select All, located in the lower left corner of the database window. All your media will be selected and will appear in the main window. To look at the main window, minimize the database window. Notice it has minimized to the lower left corner of your screen. To restore the database media window, click Restore. The None button will deselect all media listed in the Database Media Search window. To select a group of media in the case, select the media in the list and click Show on the left-hand side. Only the selected media will appear in the main window. If you click the Full Screen button, you'll see a full screen view of your media. In full screen mode, you can click your arrow keys on your keyboard to scroll through your media. Notice the cursor is a magnifying glass. To zoom in, left-click on your mouse. To zoom out, hold down on the Shift key and left-click your mouse. There are labels around the media, including Enhancement Applied, Title, and File Name in the lower left corner of the page. The page number is displayed in the lower right corner. The escape hint is located at the top left. If you want to toggle those labels on and off, click H on your keyboard to toggle on and off Enhancement Applied. Click T on your keyboard for Title. Click F on your keyboard for the file name. Click N on your keyboard for the page number, and click E to toggle the escape hint on and off. To go back to normal view, press Escape on your keyboard. To see a thumbnail view of all the media, click on the Thumbnails button. This will open the Thumbnails view of all the media listed. If you check Keep Up, the thumbnail window remains open when you double-click on the thumbnail to view it in the main window. This is useful if you have two monitors. Click the small, medium, or large buttons to view different thumbnail sizes. Also available are the Select All, None, and Show options. Click on Cancel or Apply when done. To view the media in the main window, Do not exit out of the database media search window. Instead, minimize the window. Remember, it drops down to the lower left corner of your screen. You can restore the window from the bottom of your screen, or just click the View button that is right under the VeriPic logo. Thanks for watching this training video. We invite you to take a look at other training videos available in the VeriPic training series.